Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Ford Escape. First, park your vehicle on a level surface about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this impacts the headlight beam. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a measuring tape. This preparation ensures you get the most accurate and effective adjustment for your headlights. Now, let's mark your target on the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall, drawing horizontal lines for each headlight. Then, mark vertical lines directly in front of the center of each headlight. These marks will serve as your reference points for proper beam alignment. With your reference point set, it's time to adjust the vertical beam. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw on the back of each headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw to move the light beam up or down. For optimal visibility, aim the top of the low beam cutoff just below the horizontal line you marked. Finally, let's fine-tune the horizontal beam. Locate the horizontal adjustment screw, usually near the vertical one, on the headlight assembly. Turn this screw to shift the light beam left or right. You want the brightest part of the beam to align with the vertical mark you made earlier. Take your time to ensure both headlights are properly aimed for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.